I do my video again. I'm Jaime Esteban, Austria. You're looking a subscriber. My subscriber is 1080. Why? You don't know what I'm doing? I have 1,700 videos. Until now, you don't know me. I'm Jaime Esteban, Austria. I live at 062, Sitio Robillos, Barangay Malacanang, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, 2420, Philippines. I'm Filipino. James Bond TV YouTube channel. You don't know? It's been a long time. I'm almost 4 years that I've upload video. But until now, you have no any I don't know. You said you don't know my address and you want to look at the map in my location. Impossible. I told you already, but you don't know until now. I'm Jaime Esteban, Austria. I live at 062, Sitio Robillos, Barangay Malacanang, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, 2420, Philippines. My cellphone number, 0992-696-0985. You understand what I can video at this? If you don't understand, what kind of person you are? If you understand and you don't know me, can you make me recap for 2025? You have many know about me, but until now, you don't know me. Jaime Esteban, Austria. 062, Sitio Robillos, Barangay Malacanang, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, 2420, Philippines. And I say it again, my cellphone number 0992 696 0985. I hope can you understand what I am doing now and what I can say to this. This is my YouTube channel, Jaime Esteban, Austria. Can you look my face? Can you remember it? If you don't remember, what kind of YouTube and what kind of goggles you have? What kind of goggles you have? You don't know me, and I told you my address. You want to tell some of my address? You want me? How can I receive if you have a letter for me? You look at and you hear what I am doing. I'm Jaime Esteban, Austria. Located at Sitio Robillos, Barangay Malacanang, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, 2420, Philippines. I am a Filipino.